Okay, let's take a look at these textures now that they're linking up. That looks good. You could maybe put like a black line around the eyes, or maybe just even make it a little darker to represent eyelashes a little bit. Might make the eyes pop a little better. Um, and this is just very dark because it almost looks like solid black from here. I mean, obviously, if the lighting's different, it'll look different, but um, I was thinking you could go in here and I think you can lighten it up a little bit with that. You know, maybe. Anyway, and I think same here, just really dark. I don't know, maybe that's too light. But anyway, you get the idea. You can play with that if you want to. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to improve on this, one thing you could do is actually add seams in that, like, stitched kind of, showing where the construction of the um, shirt showed up. So have a stitched seam there. Um, I like the string on here. Is that like a surface? Oh, it is. Hmm. Seems to work. And then same with the pants. That's the kind of detail you could add to just, you know, showing the seams of how it was sewn together can improve it. This is looking a little stretched, and actually that's, yeah, see what happens is when you don't have much surface detail and then you go, see how here it looks okay, and then you do that. I guess it still looks stretched either way, but either way you're probably going to want to add a couple edge loops in this just to have the topology more even, and if it bends. And then it looks like you've got, did I do that, add that one? No, it looks like there's an extra one in here that you don't need. Shift right mouse click delete edge. But then add some. And you can maybe even out these a little bit, spread these out some all around the back. Because there's really dense along the back, and then there's very little on the side. And then sort of dense in the front again. Yeah, you don't need that either, I don't think. So just try to even out the edges here just by using slide edge and moving them around. And yeah, and like adding a few here as well, and maybe giving this part more shape too. You might want to. Whoops. Ooh. Why is that not selecting all the way around? Oh wow, this is a little wacky. The way this is built, not so great. I mean, I would probably scroll selection. Okay, delete that, and then build it properly again. I mean, it might even be worth like taking this all the way back down here. Because that's a little messed up too. And then maybe we can use this opportunity to circularize this and to get the topology to be more even here. Although then you'll want to, kind of adjust it here as well. You can, in the move tool, you can turn on surface constraint, and that way you can move these points, and it should just move the point and not really change the shape of the surface. And that way you can kind of adjust the topology without messing up the surface shape too much. It looks kind of funny the way it's moving, but it keeps it constrained to the surface. So anyways, I'm not going to do this completely, but you get the idea of trying to even this all out. Definitely over here as well. Anyway, and then just keep working on that, and then but moving forward now, we can Control E, W, move that. Whoops, I got to turn off um, my surface thing. And then I might, just to make this easy, I might Control E and then, I don't know if that's right compared to the, it's something like that. Anyways, and then add, you know, and then maybe like, whoops. Maybe one here, top two. Just much cleaner construction, and then you have to cut it and UV map it again. But just, you can see the difference where like this has got all these little weird problems here, and it's all dense in the front and all stretched out on the side, and then this one's. I did end up with some extra thing here. I think I accidentally. Oh yeah, that was an accident. Okay, but here you can see it looks, nice and even. So I think, and then just quickly UV map that again. But yeah, overall I think this looks pretty good. Maybe you want to UV and texture map that too if you're going to include that.